Welcome this video. Create an outdoor kitchen in a smart backyard. Enhance space and functional. In the real of house improvement and outdoor living. The concept of an outdoor kitchen have surged in popular. It represents more than just a place of cook. It's space of socializing, entertain, and enjoy the outdoor with family and friend. However, design an outdoor kitchen in a smart backyard personal unique challenge and optimize. We explored the personal. Consider design type of create solved of maximize space and functionally in a compact outdoor kitchen. Understanding the appeal of outdoor kitchen, the allure of any outdoor kitchen lie in its ability to extend living and entertain area beyond the confines of the home. Its comfort and ordering backyard into a functionally multifunctional space was cook design and social build seamless in smart yard careful plan this cabin to then even secured fit and temperament to both aesthetic and unique. Consider for smart space layout and design. Optimize layout being the pass the available space and its natural food. Consider how you will more benefit cook appear design and long zone. Compact Application choose compact multifunctional application to maximize unit without overwhelm the space. Build family and space design of outdoor use area and idiom. Vaulting space for space cabin shape or rank to keep consider clean and optimize. Material and durable. Water resisting. Choose material that can withstand outdoor consider stood the water resisting wood like tile or choose easy main interest sport material that are easy to line and main interest as outdoor kitchen are explored to the elements, lights and embrace functional lights task like for cook area. Consider ambience and account light to create a welcome atmosphere and every gardening. Outdoor comfort incorporating elements such as shape, fine, hard, expand the usable of your outdoor kitchen throughout and seasoning. Design type of maximize space, multifunctional feature, vertical gardening and greenery. Vertical gardening install vertical gardening or plants to add greenery without solve full space. Hard gardening incorporating smart hub gardening or pot need to cook area and fresh indoor. Mobile card used with card or encrypt that can be removed area or need provide add such succinct area. Fold down table install fold down or pull up table that can be tossed around then not its use. Create solved of smart backyard. Customize story solved under set story. Build story contemporary under set branch or solve. Hard solve. Hip to for hip pots and pen. Conclusion. Design of outdoor kitchen in a smart backyard, quest thoughtful blind and create by full one other space, select durable material in crafting multifunctional solve use can create a functional and invite outdoor space that enhance your living space and allow you to full enjoy place of outdoor cook and can elevate your entertain whether you are gardening chef or wake and material a well designed outdoor kitchen can elevate your outdoor experience and make you smart backyard feel long and more welcome. Incorporating those ideas and solved into your outdoor kitchen design